So I just finished my alarm circuit on the perf board, which as you can hear still works. And the best thing about it is that it only draws around 370 microamps. Here is the last update for my little alarm circuit, and as you can see, all the components are now mounted inside a housing. It still works just fine, you can turn it off, and it even got a timer circuit so that it turns off automatically. I've now been waiting 1 hour for this thing to update, but then again, it is only a Latte Panda, so what can you expect? I'm currently playing around with some low-cost RF modules. And as you can see, this setup right here is working with an 8 kHz square wave signal, and it seems to transmit it pretty well. I think I found my favorite. This RF setup is currently working with a 12 kHz square wave signal, and it transmits it effortlessly. I just finished my Latte Panda game console housing in Fusion 360, and the best thing, which I didn't even plan, is that it fits on my 3D printer, which is awesome. I actually have a Latte Panda Alpha laying around. I think it's been laying around for about a year now, so if you have any suggestions what I should do with it, then let me know. The last parts for the Latte Panda game console are currently being printed, and I'm kind of looking forward to see how all the parts will fit together. Well, would you look at that? I think I'm about to sit in front of the camera and shoot another video. So my small new project seems to work just fine, I think, and I will test it now. I'm still playing around with RF modules, and right now I'm trying to transmit audio, for which I built up this kind of like Class D amp, which uses a function generator as an input, and as you can see, it seems to work just fine. Here is an example of the transmitted audio quality. And yes, this circuit can also transmit music, but I will have to get rid of the high carrier frequency. This is version 1 of the Latte Panda game console, which you know worked fine. But I didn't like that there was no lip to improve the stability of the case, and I was also not very happy with my L and R buttons. So here is version 2 with lots of improvements. Best of all, the lip I talked about. That means you can put those two pieces together very easily, and it got a lot more stability. And I also got improved L and R buttons. I'm very happy with the shoulder buttons. And honestly, I'm quite happy with the complete project so far. I think this might be one of my favorite projects.